So some common points I want to touch on here are how to leverage data within your practice to help optimize and grow. And to do that, you have to recognize what some of the barriers are, and then some examples for optimizing and growing. First and foremost, transparency. Data and information cannot be used to the practice's benefit if it's not shared. If people don't see it, they can't react to it, they can't make data-driven decisions if there's not transparency. And that transparency, you see it between shareholder physicians and non-shareholder physicians, and then you typically see it between all the physicians and management. And certainly not advocating that everything needs to be shared. Obviously, there's certain elements as an owner of the business that need to stay with the shareholders. But from a practice standpoint, the more you can share, the better.